Dear Chairperson, dear ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Government of Mongolia and the people of Mongolia, it's my humble honor to comment in the United Nations Office of Disaster Risk Reduction for successful organization of today's conference, and we thank again the Government of Japan for hosting this event. 10 years ago, Bayawat and Hugo framework were made a commitment to build a disaster-resilient socio-economic system which will protect our people. However, we are still concerned with dangers and socio-economic impact of disaster happening in the world. Therefore, it's important for us to come up with solutions to overcome these challenges. In 2005, Mongolia had its national capacity of disaster management evaluated by United Nations Disaster Assessment and Coordination Team. This practice, started by Mongolia, was followed by nearly 20 countries. Based on the evaluation results, we have been able to inform our state policies and improve our national system of disaster management. The United Nations hardly appraised Mongolia's case as one of the best practices in disaster risk reduction. Dear ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Government of Mongolia, I propose the following points for first 2015 framework for disaster risk reduction. 1. To increase involvement of children and young people in disaster risk reduction. 2. To reduce disaster exposure of women, social vulnerable groups. 3. To improve the education system to teach skills and knowledge of safe livelihood. 4. To enhance good governance of disaster management and expand cooperation of multi-stakeholders. 5. To ensure the linkage between sustainable development goals, activities of climate change adaptation, activities of disaster risk reduction. Dear ladies and gentlemen, let us work together in our mission for successful implement post-2015 framework and meet after 10 years with grand achievements in disaster risk reduction. Thank you for your attention.
I thank the Deputy Prime Minister of Mongolia for his statement.